श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक दुसरा मूर्ख लक्षणांचा. समास 10वा पढत मूर्ख लक्षण.
Dashak 2 Signs of Fools. Chapter 10 Signs of Educated Fools. Shri Ram.
मागा सांगितली लक्षणे, मूर्खा अंगी चातुर्य बाणे, आता ऐका शहाणे, असोनी मूर्ख.
In the last chapter, some signs were told by which a foolish person will also be wise. Now listen about those who are fools even though they are educated.
तया नाव पढत मूर्ख, श्रोती न मनावे दुःख, अवगुण त्यागता सुख, प्राप्त होये.
They are called educated fools. Listeners should not get annoyed to hear about them. If the voices are dropped, man becomes happy.
बहुश्रुत आणि वित्पन्न, प्रांजळ बोले ब्रह्मज्ञान, दुराशा आणि अभिमान, धरी तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
Man may have heard lot of things and may be erudite, and he may even give a good speech with knowledge of Brahma, but he has bad desires and pride. He is one of those educated fools.
मुक्त क्रिया प्रतिपादी, सगुण भक्ती उच्छेदी, स्वधर्म आणि साधन निंदी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who propagates immoral actions and is against traditional devotion to God and further criticizes the religious penance is an educated fool.
आपलेन ज्ञातेपणे सकळाश शब्द ठेवणे, प्राणीमात्रांचे पाहे उणे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who thinks himself to be very knowledgeable and finds faults with all people and jealously disrespects everyone, he is an educated fool.
शिष्यास अवज्ञा घडे, का तो संकटी पडे, जयाचे निशब्दे मन मोडे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who gives orders to his disciple which are difficult, and the disciple either disobeys them or a calamity falls upon him, and one who contradicts whatever others say is an educated fool.
रजोगुणी तमोगुणी, कपटी कुटिळ अंतःकरणी, वैभव देखो न वाखाणी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
A man of rajas or tamas quality, crooked in nature, praises anyone who is rich is an educated fool.
समूळ ग्रंथ पाहिल्या विण, उगाच ठेवी जो दूषण, गुण सांगता अवगुण पाहे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who criticizes any book without reading it completely, and as soon as someone tells about someone's virtues, immediately points out his defects to him is an educated fool.
लक्षणे ऐकोन मानी वीट, मत्सरे करी खटपट, नीती न्याय उद्धट, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a man is bored when he hears about somebody's good qualities, harasses by jealousy, does not listen to good advice, and is arrogant, is an educated fool.
जाणपणे भरी भरे, आला क्रोध नावरे, क्रिया शब्दास अंतरे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a man is puffed up by egoism, cannot control his anger, and there is contradiction between what he says and what he does, he is an educated fool.
वक्ता अधिकारे वीण, वक्तृत्वाचा करी सीण, वचन जयाचे कठीण, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a man gives a speech without authentic knowledge and takes unnecessarily trouble for it, and his talk is cruel, then he is an educated fool.
श्रोता बहुश्रुतपणे, वक्तयास आणि उणे, वाचाळपणाचे निगुणे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a listener who is well read and knowledgeable contradicts the speaker with talkative babbling, he is an educated fool.
दोष ठेवी पुढिलासी, तेची स्वये आपणापासी, ऐसे कळेना जयासी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a man finds fault with elders and he himself has the same fault and also does not know this fact, is an educated fool.
अभ्यासाचे निगुणे सकळ विद्या जाणे, जनास निववू नेणे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a man knows all things because he has studied but cannot give any solace or satisfaction to others, he is an educated fool.
हस्त बांधिजे ऊर्णत्यंते, लोभे मृत्य भ्रमराते, ऐसा जो प्रपंची गुंते, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
If a man is engrossed in his family like an elephant tied down by the web of a spider, or a black bee which dies being caught in a lotus at night, he is an educated fool.
स्त्रियांचा संग धरी, स्त्रियांची निरूपण करी, निंद्य वस्तू अंगीकारी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who likes the company only of the opposite sex, one who teaches renunciations only to the opposite sex, and who accepts things not worthy of his status, is an educated fool.
जेणे उणीवये अंगासी, तेची दृढ धरी मानसी, देह बुद्धी जयापासी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who is adamantly holding on to such things that bring shame to him, and whose center of sight is around his body, is an educated fool.
सांडुनिया श्रीपती, जो करी नरस्तुती, का दृष्टी पडिल्यांची कीर्ती वर्णी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who praises man instead of God and flatters anybody ever he meets is an educated fool.
वर्णी स्त्रियांचे आवेव, नाना नाटके हावभाव, देवा विसरे जो मानव, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who describes the beauty of human body over dramatizes his actions, and one who forgets God is an educated fool.
भरोन वैभवांचे भरी, जीवमात्रास तुच्छ करी, पाषाण मत थावरी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who insults others because of his riches and talks doctrines which are heretic is an educated fool.
वित्पन्न आणि वीतरागी, ब्रह्मज्ञानी महायोगी, भविष्य सांगो लागे जगी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who has deep learning and control of his passions, has knowledge about the absolute Brahma, and is also a yogi of high caliber, yet starts fortune telling, is an educated fool.
श्रवण होता अभ्यांतरी, गुणदोषाची चालना करी, परभूषणे मत्सरी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who starts evaluating the good points and bad points of whatever he hears and is jealous by the glory of others is an educated fool.
नाही भक्तीचे साधन, नाही वैराग्य ना भजन, क्रिये वीण ब्रह्मज्ञान बोले, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who does not do devotional rituals has neither desireless nor faithful devotion to God, and one who talks about divine wisdom without practically behaving accordingly is an educated fool.
न मनी तीर्थ, न मनी क्षेत्र, न मनी वेद, न मनी शास्त्र, पवित्र कुळी जो अपवित्र, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who has no belief in auspicious spiritual places or sacred places or Vedas or sciences is an unworthy man born in a noble family is an educated fool.
आदर देखोनी मन धरी, कीर्ती विण स्तुती करी, सभेची निंदी अनादरी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who cares for only his flatterers, pleases and praises anyone not really famous, and in the next moment starts to slander them, is an educated fool.
मागे एक पुढे एक, ऐसा जयाचा दंडक, बोले एक करी एक, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who is not consistent in his actions, talks one thing and does another thing, is an educated fool.
प्रपंच विशी सादर, परमार्थी ज्याचा अनादर, जाणपणे घे अधार, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who loves only the family life and disrespect spiritual path. One who is in the darkness of his own pride of knowledge is an educated fool.
येथार्थ सांडून वचन, जो रक्षुन बोले मन, ज्याचे जिने पराधेन, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who, instead of speaking to the point, speaks with a reserved mind, and one whose life is dependent on others is an educated fool.
सोंग संपाधी वरीवरी, करू नये तेची करी, मार्ग चुकोन भरे भरी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who makes a show of his goodness, but acts in a way one should not act, and gets on the wrong path of life is an educated fool.
रात्रंदिवस करी श्रवण, न सांडी आपले अवगुण, स्वहित आपले आपण नेणे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who listens to sermons day and night, and one who does not know what is good for himself is an educated fool.
निरूपणी भले भले, श्रोते येऊन बैसले, क्षुद्रे लक्षुनी बोले, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
A speaker who looks at an insignificant man while addressing a gathering, though many worthy noble listeners are present in the crowd, is an educated fool.
शिष्य झाला अनाधिकारी, आपली अवज्ञा करी, पुन्हा त्याची आशा धरी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who puts his hope in a disciple who is a failure and who even disobeys him is an educated fool.
होत असता श्रवण, देहास आले उणेपण, क्रोधे करी चिणचिण, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who suffers some bodily discomfort while listening to a public talk or on hearing about his bodily defects gets angry or irritated is an educated fool.
भरोन वैभवाचे भरी, सद्गुरूची उपेक्षा करी, गुरु परंपरा चोरी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who becomes rich and by his pride disregards his teacher or the group in which he has learned things is an educated fool.
ज्ञान बोलो न करी स्वार्थ, कृपणा ऐसा साची अर्थ, अर्थासाठी लावी परमार्थ, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who talks of unselfishness and is actually very selfish. One who hoards money and uses his spiritual knowledge for selfish means is an educated fool.
वर्तल्या वीण सिकवी, ब्रह्मज्ञान लावणी लावी, पराधेन गोसावी, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who teaches without himself doing anything according to those teachings, uses spiritual knowledge like stock in a trade, but he himself is a dependent, is an educated fool.
भक्ती मार्ग अवघा मोडे, आपणामध्ये उपंढर पडे, ऐसिये कर्मी पवाडे, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who indulges in actions which are detrimental to devotional path and which create divisions amongst persons is an educated fool.
प्रपंच गेला हातीचा, लेश नाही परमार्थाचा, द्वेषी देवा ब्राह्मणाचा, तो एक पढत मूर्ख.
One who loses his own family and has not got any knowledge of higher things, who hates God, who hates priests, is an educated fool.
त्यागावया अवगुण, बोलिले पढत मूर्खाचे लक्षण, विचक्षणे न्यून पूर्ण, क्षमा केली पाहिजे.
I have told about these bad qualities that are peculiar to educated fools, but one who is more wise may please excuse me if there is any error that I have made.
परम मूर्खा माझी मूर्ख, जो संसारी मानी सुख, या संसार दुःखा ऐसे दुःख, आणिक नाही.
The greatest fool of all the fools is one who mistakenly feels happy in his worldly family life because there is no sorrow equal to the sorrow of this mundane life.
तेची पुढे निरूपण, जन्मदुःखाचे लक्षण, गर्भवास हा दारुण, पुढे निरोपिला.
That is exactly the subject of my talk in the next chapter, in which I am going to show the horrific sorrows of birth and our life in the world.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरुशिष्य संवादे पढत मूर्ख लक्षण नाम समास 10वा. श्रीराम.
Thus, in the second dashak of Dasbodh, the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this 10th chapter, by name Signs of Educated Fools, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.